Hi there, this video is for teachers, all about how to use the Poly Teams app. So I have Teams open and I have gone to a classroom where I'm going to practice this, and I'm in the channel where I want to work. Down at the bottom here, I already have Poly added. It is right here, this little bird icon. You can click on this once it appears for you. If you're not seeing this little bird here yet though, you can click the three dots down at the bottom of your screen and find an app. And I'm just going to type in Poly. There we go. The first time you open it in each team, it is going to ask you whether you want to add it. So you just need to select like add the plugin or whatever it gives you as the option. And you'll only have to do that one time. So once you have Poly open, you can essentially go through and create your quick poll. You can start by selecting the channel that you would like the poll to go to. It is easiest if you just create it where you want to go. You can see I actually don't have the option to change it to anywhere else. I'm working in the channel that I started in. I can either send the poll now, or I can schedule it for a later date. I can close the poll. The default is 7 days after the send, but you can change that to whatever you would like it to be. And then you can basically come in, you can choose the type of question you would like to do. You then can add a question. Then you can add all of the choices. And you can add however many choices you would like to. You can remove them if you decide you don't want them. You can allow multiple votes. You can allow your audience to add choices. I've been turning off comments on the poll, mostly for students. I just prefer them to focus on just the question, but you can keep the comments turned on if you would like to. You can update what you would like people to comment about. And then I've just been showing the results in real time because I think it's cool for everyone to see what others are selecting. But again, you have those options here. And then based on what you are doing as your poll, you can either make it non-anonymous or anonymous. You then click preview and you're able to see your poll and you can send it. If you have told it to appear now, if you've scheduled it for now, then it should appear right here. If you haven't scheduled it for now and you scheduled it for a later date, it won't appear yet. And then just for the users, this is exactly the same view that they'll see. It will appear right in their channel as well. And then they can basically select their option, click submit vote, and then it will start showing results down below. So that is Poly. One other thing to show you is that if you are feeling really confident with Poly and you want to just get some quick formative assessment questions in the middle of doing something else, you do have the option, once you have Poly installed, to come into your conversation space. You can type at Poly and it will appear. And then you can basically type in your question and then you can type in your options. I believe I have the exact structure for that created somewhere because I am blanking right now on exactly what it needs to be. Hold on, I'm going to pause my recording and pull it up. All right, I'm back. I found it. It was much easier than I thought it would be. So when I come in here and I type at Poly, I actually have this little menu that appears, what can I do? When you click on it, you can basically come in and build your questions. You can either create an advanced poll, or you can come in here and you can basically type in your question and then your two options and submit it. In my search for this very basic answer, I also found that the Poly website has some really good resources. So I found this whole article on different question types that talks you through all of the different things you can do. So I'm going to go ahead and just link this to my video. And that is Poly. It's super quick and easy and fun for everyone involved.